People, welcome back to Yard and Abroad TV. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, like, comment, share, and subscribe. As I said, if you're not familiar with this channel, we talk about issues in Jamaica, the Caribbean, and the whole world, people. Wagwan people, wagwan, welcome back to my YouTube channel, people. I want to thank each and every one of you guys as usual for liking, commenting, and subscribing, people. Remember, it doesn't go unnoticed, people. I appreciate it every day. Bless up in yourself for the love and support as usual. So people, the PNP Presidential Election is set for November 7th. November 7th is when a new PNP president will be elected, people. November 7th, the date is set. I know some people happy if you hear about this after Peter Phillips say him stepping down. Somebody new and more vibrant gonna be the president of the People's National Party. So as I say, people, the People's National Party is to elect a new president on November 7th. The date was set at today's meeting of the party's National Executive Council, NEC, its most powerful body outside of the annual conference. The NEC met at the Jamaica Conference Centre in Kingston. The Electoral Office of Jamaica support is to be sought to manage the polls. The NEC today outlined a timeline leading up to the elections, with nominations of candidates to happen October 9 to 23rd, and the final delegates list to be made available by October 30. Elections for a new president of the PNP comes as the current president and opposition leader, Dr. Phillips, announced his resignation as leader following the party's major defeat in the September 3rd general election. So them say, people, that the nominations for candidates is going to be October 9 to 23rd. So that's when all the nominations and the candidates going to take place. Mark Golden, the Member of Parliament for St. Andrew South, and Lisa Hanna, the Member Parliament for St. Anne's South East, are currently seen as the two front-runners for the post of president, with polls conducted externally and internally showing Hanna as the favorite. So them say Lisa Hanna is the favorite at the moment. Lisa Hanna, and all the polls that have been conducted have been saying that Lisa Hanna is in the lead as the favorite at the moment. Damian Crawford, one of four vice presidents, has also indicated interest but has said he's in consulting with delegates before declaring his candidacy, while other PNP leaders and well-known personalities, Mikhail Phillips, son of Dr. Phillips, and Norman Horn, have also shown an interest in the presidency of the party. Julian Robinson, General Secretary, is also seen as a possible contender. Alright, so here, my people, I'm not gonna lie. Two front runner them have is Lisa Hanna and Mark Golden. You see me? Lisa Hanna being the highly favorite because she more popular and people like her the most. She is well liked the most. And right now, how the PNP and the state that the PNP in, them need somebody that is well liked by the people. Even though Lisa Hanna almost lost her seat in the recent election, but she is the favorite. And I think if she lose out on being the next president of the PNP, I think it would be an upset because, as I said, people, half of Jamaica want her to be the next president of the PNP. Because I'm telling the people, she's well liked. It's not a popularity contest, but when majority is in your favor and you're well liked by a lot of people, the outcome is going to be good. You see me? It's going to be good. But people, I'm keeping you update on this. As me say, it's November 7th, and me definitely I go keep in the loop and want go on with this. You see me? You don't know, say there's a lot of pieces to the puzzle, and as time goes by, me keeping updated. Alright, mad.